Hello, hope you're doing good. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to make website in Wix for free. The first thing you'll need to do is go onto wix.com. From there, you will be able to create an account using your email address. You don't need a credit card or anything like that to sign up. Once you have created your account, you will be redirected to a dashboard just like this. And all you'll need to do is tap on create new site. So you're going to select create new site. After selecting create new site, you will be redirected to this page. On this page, you're going to tap on set up without chat. By the way, if you were to tap on start chat, you will be able to create a website using Wix AI. But we don't want to use that since we are just getting started, and this will also allow you to have more customizing features or ability, better yet. So you're going to tap on set up without chat. From here, you can type in the type of website that you would like to create. So let's say, for example, I would like to create a portfolio website. And by the way, you can create any type of website, so it doesn't matter the type of business. You can simply type it in on the search bar right here. And from there, Wix will assist you with creating a professional looking website. You're going to tap on continue. After tapping on continue, you will be redirected to your dashboard. Once on your dashboard, you will be able to give your website a name. So you're going to enter your website name right here. So I'm just going to call it test site. Then you're going to tap on continue. After doing that, depending on the type of website that you chose, or better yet suggested that you would like to create, you can see right here they'll suggest different apps that you can add. For example, I want to create a portfolio website, so I'm going to be using the portfolio app. I can also display my work from Instagram, and also I'll be adding the blog. And if it was a case that I would like to share or sell videos, I could add the video app. And if it is a case that you would like to sell anything online, you can select online store. If you want to do booking, if you would like to sell events or tickets, you can also do that. Once you're finished, you're going to tap on continue, then select continue once more. Now, after doing this, you're going to be redirected to your dashboard. And there are a few things that I want you to pay attention to. The first option is if you selected portfolio like I did, all you'll need to do is tap on portfolio from the left-hand menu option. From here, you will be able to upload your portfolio. So first, you will be able to select what kind of work you are showcasing. Then you will tap on next. After you have done that, you can tap on upload from computer, and from there you will be able to add your portfolio. You can also create collections by tapping on collections from the left hand menu option. From there you can create collections if you want. Also, if it is a case that you would like to create a blog, you can tap on blog from the left hand menu option, then select create new post. And from here you will be able to quickly create your blog post. So all you'll need to do is tap right here and you'll be able to add your title, and you can tap here and you can start typing out your article. By the way, if you would like to use the Wix AI to assist you with writing your blog posts, you can do that by tapping on AI tools in the bottom left hand corner. From here, you can choose to use AI to either write blog posts, title, outline, or create images or meta tags. Once you're finished, you'll tap on publish in the top right hand corner. And all of these are free features that you can use. Now, if it is a case that you would like to accept payments online, so for example, let's say you would like to use Wix for an e-commerce store, all you'll need to do is tap on getting paid. Then you're going to tap on connect payment method. From here, you can see the different payment options that you can accept. Keep in mind, depending on the country you're located in, you will see more payment options. So at the moment, I'm located in Jamaica, but if I were to change my location, you will realize that I can now offer my customers a lot more payment options. So let's say, for example, I were to change it to Canada. You can see right here, not only do I have PayPal, but if I were to tap on see more payment options, you will also realize that I can now offer Klarna, Afterpay, and so much more. So it all depends on the location that you have inputted when you were creating your website. Once you're finished, you're going to go over to the left hand menu option once more, and you're going to tap on Setup. Then you're going to go to the top right hand corner and tap on Design Site. After selecting Design Site, you're going to tap on Customize a Template. So you're going to select Pick a Template, and you can see different suggested templates right here. And this is one of the major standout features when it comes onto Wix Website Builder, as they have numerous templates that makes it easy for even a complete beginner to create a professional looking website. Once you have found a template that you like, you're going to tap on Edit. After selecting Edit, you're going to give it a few seconds, and then you're going to be redirected to the Wix editor. Once on the Wix editor, I'll be showing you what to do next. Here, normally I would close the pop-up box. After closing the pop-up box, you're going to tap on the plus 50% in the top right hand corner. And at the moment, this is how our website looks. To get started, you can go over to the top left hand corner, and you can simply hover over any section that you would like to edit. So let's say, for example, I want to change the name in the top left hand corner of my header right there. I can simply tap on it. Then from the right hand menu option, you can see the different editing options right here. So I can change the name, and I could type in my name right here. So let's do that. Also, if it is a case that I would like to change the background color or so on, I can quickly do that. And you can do the same thing with each section. By simply scrolling down, you can select the sections that you would like to edit. And if it is a case that you want to change the background, I can do that by tapping on Section Background. I could tap on Change. Then from there, I could tap on Image. After you have done that, you have a few options. You could either tap on Upload Media in the top left hand corner and upload an image, or you can select from the copyright-free images that they provide. So you'll simply select the image, then tap on Change Background, and you can see right there that my background has now changed. It is as easy as that. And again, if I wanted to change the text, I can simply select the text right there, and I can type in whatever I want. And by the way, if it is a case that you would like to add an element that you don't see, so let's say, for example, I would like to add text right here. All I'll need to do is tap on the plus in the top left hand corner. Then from here, you'll get access to all of the elements, whether it is a text, an image, a button, anything at all that you would like to add onto your website, you'll find it in this section. So if it is a case that I wanted to add text, I could do that. All I would need to do is select the type of text that I would like to add, and then drag and place it on my website, as you can see right there. And that's basically it. You can scroll down and continue making your changes, and you're going to tap on Portfolio in the top left hand corner, and from here you will be able to view all the pages that are currently on your website. So you can go through and edit all pages. Once you're finished, you'll tap on Publish in the top right hand corner, and your website will now be live. Keep in mind, if you want to accept payments online using Wix, you will need to upgrade onto their paid plan, but it is quite affordable and definitely worth it compared to the competition. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe.